There are days when opening your journal feels uncomfortable. You might still sit with it for a moment, flip a page, hold the pen, and then something in you quietly decides not today. So you put it away, and if you're honest, it's not because you didn't want have 5 minutes. It's because writing would mean being alone with whatever's been sitting in the background of your mind all day. And some days you just don't want to go there. What's interesting is we don't usually admit this to ourselves. We tell ourselves we are tired or distracted, or we'll write tomorrow when things feel a little clearer. But underneath that, there's often a quieter reason. Writing might make something real, something you've been managing quite well, but not fully putting it into words. Because the moment you write it down, it stops being vague. It takes shape, and once something has shape, it's harder to ignore. It's tangible now. So, avoiding your journal starts to make sense. It's not laziness, it's a kind of self preservation. But here's the hard part that often gets missed. Avoiding it doesn't actually make things lighter, it just makes them slightly out of reach, where they will still take up space, just without a place to go. This is where a very small shift can help. Instead of asking yourself to journal properly or to figure things out, just write one page. Not a perfect page, not something you'll want to reread later. Just one page where you don't overthink what belongs there. You can write about your day if that's all that comes out. You can repeat the same thought in 3 different ways. You can even write, I don't feel like writing today, and keep going from there. The point isn't what the page contains, it's that you've stayed with yourself long enough to put something down. And that does something subtle. It takes the pressure off, because now writing isn't this big emotional task you have to be ready for. It becomes something smaller, more manageable, almost like checking in rather than digging deep. And oddly enough, that's when the honesty starts to come in. Not all at once, just in small, almost accidental ways. A sentence you didn't expect to write, a thought that feels slightly more direct than casual. You don't have to chase those moments, they tend to show up when you stop trying to force them. If you think about it, the hardest part isn't writing, it's sitting down when you already know there's something you've been avoiding. So maybe the question isn't, why can't I stay consistent with journaling? Maybe it's this. What is it that feels easier to carry quietly than to actually write down? What is it that I am avoiding? You don't have to answer that immediately. You don't have to answer it clearly. Just take a blank page. Stay with it until the page is full. And then let that be enough for today. That is the commitment for today. Just one blank page. Over time, something changes. The resistance doesn't disappear completely, but it becomes less convincing, less able to stop you. And your journal slowly becomes what it was meant to be in the first place. Not a place where you perform insight, not a place where you force clarity, just a place where you show up, even on the days you'd rather not. One page is enough for that. More than enough, actually. Because on the days you feel like avoiding yourself, even staying for a page is a kind of honesty. And honesty is the best gift that you give yourself.